This right here is a $2 alarm clock from Ikea. The thing is that it's kind of ugly. I can make a better one, I promise. I did make a better one. And as you probably already know, Ikea sells a bunch of things, including this bed right here, this shelf. They also sell that blackboard. They also sell this and this and... Wait. What was I supposed to be talking about again? Oh yeah, everything there is pretty cheap, including this clock right here. It is ugly, and it doesn't look nice, and I don't like it. But it is $2. That's even cheaper than a black oxide alloy steel socket head screw 250. Who wrote the script? Oh, that was the... Oh. Well, I'm gonna de-uglify it now. Is de-uglify a word? Using the power of SolidWorks and unemployment, I created first try. Oh, wait, no, maybe. Oh, no, a couple iterations. Oh, a few more, and, yeah, okay, maybe not. But I actually want to dwell on that for a second, because engineering is hard. You can make something once, it won't work. You get 5 more times, and it still might not work how you want it to work. And that's kind of happened with this clock right here, and every other engineering project I've ever made, and probably everybody else. So I feel like it's the one side of engineering YouTube that you don't see of because it's so boring. It takes a lot of time to do all of this. And for you, it's maybe just like one offhanded joke. But for us, it's like hours, us collectively, because I'm also a massive engineering YouTuber now. Wait, I'm talking about time. Time? Oh, there's a video about time. Sorry. I'll get you back there. Hold up. Usually, I just wing all my projects, including this one, even if I don't really realize how long they're gonna take, and then they take me too long, and I have to be on them for so long, I kind of get bored of them. Sometimes I don't finish. But anyway, I think this one honestly turned out pretty well. One reason I like this alarm so much is because it's really small, and my other one was really big and fat. And just like that, you're gonna throw me away? It wasn't even me that was at fault. It's the cord. Just buy a new cord, please. I just want to wake you up, man. That's all I've ever wanted. Bullets aren't cheap, man. Anyway, sorry, engineer movies, could you put the whole, like, thing of the engineering boring stuff? The clock is honestly pretty simple. It's 3 main components. There's the middle body, the front body, and the back body. All you need is a 3D printer, then the STLs, and that's it. Throw it below in the Patreon, which is free. I just made a Patreon. It's free. There's nothing paid. I have nothing to sell. I suck at capitalism. Anyway, it only takes 2 screws and I think about 2 hours of printing, depending on how slow or fast your printer is. I have an original V1 Ender 3 Pro. So it took me about 6 failed prints. That's all. Take it away. Weird, not smart, no job, Moe's. Awesome, thanks. I feel like something's missing. Have we talked about democratic socialism yet? Maybe Bernie Sanders? This is a video about clocks. Why would I talk about that? Oh, I know, a build montage. That's exactly what you need. I'm not missing a freaking build montage. I don't know where you got that idea. Do you know how hard it is to make build I'm just gonna go on a walk, man. I don't even know anymore. It started raining, so I'm not gonna go on a walk. I'm just gonna tell you the differences between the 2 clocks. Hopefully it doesn't get too much worse. So a couple things I really like about my design is at the top, there's like a small line. I think it looks really cool, honestly. I also like at the front, the non-symmetricness of the one screw that holds it in. I like how it's super simplistic. The other one was also really simplistic, to be fair. Also the back with just the 2 buttons. Only takes 2 screws as well. I like the 2 legs. I try to keep it as homage to the original. And compared to the regular one, I think the regular one is just kind of ugly. The build quality isn't the best either, but to be fair, I did try to fix it and ruin it. It's just that for $2, you can't really do much, so I might as well take the product and just make it better. It's honestly great for how much it's worth, but I think I can just make something better, and I did, and mine is better. Even if you think the other one's better, you're wrong, because I'm never wrong. My opinions are never... I do also want to point out that there are a couple downsides to this thing. For example, the fact that it tips over really easily like that, or the fact that you can actually push the screen in and it'll just stay in, kinda, and it looks kind of annoying. And let the lights turn off, and oh my god, I'm tired. Where the hell am I? What's going on? Look who's finally decided to wake up. The hell, I can't move. What do you want? Who are you? Listen, man. You've always talked, just like a little bit too much. Wait. Listen. You can have the alarm. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Please, yo, chill. We can talk.